I'm happy because we are going to Happy Work
Happy
Vlog.
vlogs. Okay.
Happy Work. You need to be happy before you get there.
Really?
Hey, happiness is free. Yo.
Let's see what's over there. After that, maybe I'll be happy.
Happy Work Vlogs. Welcome, our lovely viewers, to our channel and varieties. This season is a season of reaction. We are reacting to all videos on food. Yes, and it is sweetening our body. What do you think?
Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely.
So on arrival in Happy World Vlogs, we saw some challenge for 5 minutes. And that challenge, they prepared 2 types of native pot soup. Oilless okra versus black soup. And Iba. Nigeria
Eba.
swallow.
Eba.
Eba.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mention it locally. Eba, not Eba.
Eba. Now, let's watch the video.
A delicious, your malicious, best of the best, oilless okra soup. And while I am going to be eating black soup, which is also known as bitter leaf soup, and we're going to be eating it with eba, fufu, ijebu gari. How you are doing? Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. In case you are new to our channel, it's your boy, the small.
It's your baby girl, happy in the building.
You are highly welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's say great before we jump into this challenge.
Okay.
Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, Father, we thank you for providing this food for us. Father, as you have provided for us, we have provided for those that don't have to eat. Any area of our viewers and subscribers are lucky, Father, may they manifest of their needs. And as we eat this food, let it touch our body and soul. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
So guys, in today's video, we are going to be doing challenge. We are going to be challenging these 2 types of soup. I'm going to be eating this black soup, as I said before, while my wife is going to be eating oilless okra soup. So we are going to be set timing it just 5 minutes. 5 minutes challenge. So in this 5 minutes challenge, when the alarm rings, everybody needs to answer. No more eating. So then we can rate the remaining food to know who is really the winner. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Are we going to open our panel before we start the time, or?
Exactly.
So guys, let's open our.
Okay.
So we are back.
Yeah, we are back. And safe.
I'm with you.
Our ancestors, they cook and eat in clay pots. Nigerians call it native pot.
Yeah, they've left us great inventories, great adventures that we need to inherit, you know.
Yeah, and we all know how they were fit.
Oh yeah,
fine.
They lived long.
Yeah.
They lived long. I learned one of my great-grandfather lived over 100 years.
Wow.
That's
And my
what I learned.
great-grandmother,
Yes.
who instilled all these things in me, she lived over 100.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Yeah. So today we are talking about native pots. I love the fact that the food was prepared in the native pots, and
I also love it.
yeah, and the okra soup was oilless.
Yeah. It's
The
also
fact
fun.
that there is no oil is also very healthy.
Yeah.
And then it's something that we need
It
to.
doesn't mean you shouldn't prepare with oil. But oilless too.
It's healthier than the oil one.
Oh, okay.
Especially if it's palm oil.
Okay.
Yeah. And the black soup. This black soup, I've never tasted some before.
What made it black? is it an ingredient? Or?
We need to act Happy World
Happy
Vlog.
World. We need an explanation here.
Now let's look at the benefit. Did you see your grandma or any of your ancestors prepare food in native pots?
Even you have done it before.
I love doing that.
Yeah, I could see you even have the earthenware pots.
Yeah.
Yeah, you love doing that. You know?
Yeah.
Even this yaka we are talking about when you want to use the steam this thing to cook it, rice, and we use the earthenware pot. There are so many these things. We have the earthenware plate as well. But the pot is it's so fine.
Yeah,
That's
do you
what
know?
our great grandfathers and mothers used.
Yeah.
They lived longer, they lived healthier, they lived happily. And we need to inherit all these things. We need to put them into
We've
good
thrown
use.
away everything.
Yeah, now you are
It's
using
so
the
sad.
metallic stuffs and stuff. We don't know really what's really going through our body.
Now let's look at the benefit. Today we are here to learn. It's all about fun and educative. So why did our ancestors use the native pot or the clay pot?
That's the question. And viewers, you have to leave your answers to the comment section.
Yeah.
Why would they use the earthenware pot? And we are using the metallic pot today. It's a great question. We need an answer to that.
Yeah. So researching. You know, I always love.
Oh yeah, you love research, You know, we have to be researching a lot. We know more. You have more general knowledge about things.
Yeah. So researching, I came across the fact that when you prepare food in a clay pot, the aroma that your food will have after being cooked is unbeatable. Nothing can beat that.
Are you sure?
Oh, nothing can beat that. The aroma. Yes, it makes the dish more tender and tasty.
Oh, okay.
Those are the benefits. And the food in this pot, they stay fresh for longer. So you can, you have been seeing me do it. When you prepare okra soup, you leave it in the pot till the next day. It will look fresher.
I'll make sure I instill this in my future wife.
Woo!
Definitely.
Wahala don't they finish.
If she's listening to me, get ready. Start by earthenware pots now because I love them more than the metallic ones.
Yeah, and it's the food in these pots, I've already said it, they stay fresh and longer. Then it is also rich in calcium.
Really?
It's rich in phosphorus, sulfur, magnesium, all the sium.
You know, earthenware is made from clay, right?
Yeah.
And clay has natural mineral contents.
Yeah.
Which some we don't know, some we know, and you know, iron, zinc, and stuff.
Yeah. So all the minerals, they are in there. So when you prepare your food, naturally you get all these ingredients, and it is alkaline on its own too.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you want to drink alkaline. Why not cook in pot to get your alkaline? Yeah, and because of these things, I love one lady by name Undudu by Fafa. She also have a channel on YT, and I love her channel so much because she uses clay pots. That's what she uses.
And even it's good when we eat in clay pots after cooking.
Yes, so look at them after cooking in the pot. Then they put it in the plate that is made of clay, and they were eating. But I'm disappointed. Me, I don't know when these things are going to fit because they have used polythene wrapper for the bar. You see, and that was so
unhealthy. It's unhealthy.
So I don't know when we are going to stop that, but we'll still keep on preaching so that it will get to people that this thing, you have used clay pot, you have used that pot, you have earth in it, so where from the rubber again? Maybe all the magnesium, the phosphorus and all that in the pot is going to take away the polythene.
We don't know. We can't tell.
So
it needs to end,
yeah,
so to adapt to new ways of
either
preventing the
so I like the food so much, and then these earthenware things, will be very happy when we see our young ones going back to use them. And the pot that they are using now is also very, very expensive. If it looks nice, it's expensive. So why not go for this native pots and cook and
economically the native pots are better.
So
economically,
cooking in earthenware pots, it comes with the goodness of health and more nutrition.
They're always happy. The happy world vlogs.
Yeah.
That's why they're always happy.
But you don't know whether they always eat in
Oh, I think so. I think they are
They will
doing great.
eat their everything in earthenware pot.
I can't tell.
Unless you go to
Yeah.
their house. So, lovely viewers, you can go check their house and look at the very video we are talking about. Then search if they are really eating in earthenware. So, as I've already said, the earthenware, it retains the original taste and nutrition of the food that you are preparing. It saves oil too.
Yeah.
And it improves your health.
Wow.
Yeah, so the alkaline in nature improves
So you
the
eat healthy, you stay healthy. Okay.
improves the acidic nature of the pH.
Yeah, the alkalinity.
Yeah, so we need to go back and do that. In fact, I love eating in that. So in Ghana, most of our some of the villages, they still eat in
Most of the villages, as of today, they still do that. Yeah.
they still do that. Although the only disadvantage is that if it breaks, you are going to buy another one.
Yeah, that's why it's economical. It's cheaper than the metallic ones.
Yeah.
So even if it breaks, you can try and
So
get
if
another one.
handling it, you have to handle it
with care,
with
you
care,
know,
like
family,
an egg.
yeah.
If only you don't want to buy again. And most houses, they think that, oh, children will break these things easily, so they go for the plastics and everything. But I think it will be very healthy when we go back to this old way of using
storing
native
food
pots.
in earthenware pots, after cooking and placing it off the fire, after some number of minutes, there's still heat. There's a amount of heat in there.
Yes, it doesn't
food, yeah,
consume so much fuel and all that.
Yeah, it keeps the food warm.
Yeah.
Even for over 10 minutes.
I
15
think
minutes
on my channel, I've been using it a lot, especially if I want to prepare these detox drinks. I use it, and then I prepare some smoky jollof, and I use the earthenware pot. And that day, you were just licking your finger. So you can check our channel for that. So Lovelies, this is where we are ending our video. We want you to stay healthy. We are just educating you all as to what you have to do to keep on being healthy. And so we want to just ignore the plastic, go back to our traditional way of doing things. If you can, it's not by force, but if you want to live a healthy life, then you can just do that.
Always taking a lot of water, it helps.
Yeah, so because these things will help us. So until we see you in our next video, stay healthy, and it is a bye. Please subscribe to our channel if you like our video. Bye. Bye. Bye.